Hey marykay consultants and directors. Today I'm going to show you how to boost your sales with a 30-day AI content plan. Selling smarter, not harder is what we're all about. First up, why do you need a 30-day content plan? Women buy from women they know, like, and trust. Consistent posting means consistent income. Use AI analytics to track trends and see what your customers are engaging with. This way, you can plan posts around your products, skincare tips, promotions, and success stories. Now let's dive into how to use AI for planning content for your fabulous customers. ChatGPT is your new best friend. It can generate daily post ideas, from beauty tips and self-care moments to customer testimonials. Check your Instagram and Facebook insights to see what content women are saving and sharing. Create 4 content pillars: beauty and skincare tips, empowering quotes and motivation, customer transformations and results behind the scenes. marykay life. Alright, now let's map out 30 days of marykay posts. Use tools like Canva, Trello, or even a printable calendar. Balance fun posts with sales posts. For every 3 value posts, have 1 selling post. Focus your messaging on helping women feel beautiful, confident, and empowered. Here's a bonus tip. Pre-plan around product launches like new lip colors, holiday kits, or skincare promotions. This keeps your content fresh and exciting. Remember to subscribe for weekly marykay marketing tips that help you sell smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching. Let's make those sales soar.